Hello, everyone. Hello, Crypto Mindset. Nice to meet you again, brother. So today, Ethereum ETFs, and there is a potential different scenarios, two potential different scenarios. First of all, Ethereum ETFs will be accepted, and after that, Ethereum will skyrocket to another levels. The second scenario is that Ethereum ETFs will be disapproved, and if maybe will go down, I don't know how much, but maybe 20% or something. So what do you think about it right now from technical analysis, from technical perspective? Because you're analyzing charts, right? Do you believe that ETH has the power to go further or just stay at these levels right now?
Well, man, I can show you the chart. The chart saying up, 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 up. Like the chart are not predicting anything negative for Ethereum. If you look on all ratio, Ethereum dollar, Ethereum Bitcoin, really the chart saying now they can, they can manipulate. They can say, oh, we're going to approve it maybe in a couple of months, or so you might get a little dip. Sell the news even if it's gonna be approved. You might get a stuff like that. But in my opinion, like mid-term and long-term, very bullish. Short-term, we're talking about surrounding this announcement, might be volatility. But after that, man, whatever they say, Ethereum chart is super bullish.
Do you have ETH right now? Do you hold ETH?
Yeah, I bought ETH. Yeah, I bought ETH on the pump, man. I FOMO'd in, and for me, I'm just gonna hodl a little bag, just hodl a little bit because it's like the Bitcoin ETF trade you had last year. It started in September. The Bitcoin ETF rumors. So that was amazing time to buy Bitcoin. So it doesn't matter if you bought the top of the candle or the low of the candle. It doesn't matter. You held it since September, you made a triple. Now Ethereum can do the same. Ethereum can do a triple from here. If you're gonna get a real Ethereum ETF hype, why not?
Yeah, of course. Especially to Bitcoin. Ethereum to Bitcoin is pretty undervalued. I will show you the chart. In the center, I have ETH BTC pair, and let's go to wider interval. 4-hour interval, or maybe even 1 day interval. And as we can see, ETH BTC, ETH USDT in the middle. So ETH BTC is pretty undervalued. It seems to be. So it seems to be that there is still a lot of space to grow. But I'm curious about your thoughts. Do you believe that this year or the next couple of months it's possible to go over that level, for example, 60% up?
Yeah, let me share my screen. It's the most important chart for me that I do all day long, man. I'm sleeping with it. Like, let me show you the screens in Ethereum. 1 second. Where is this chart? Sorry about that. Ethereum. Okay, so look, Ethereum BTC. Let's look at this one. This one, man, is the daddy of the alt season. Okay, you can see, like you said, you had the channel here that's been long-term downtrend versus Bitcoin, pretty much since the Ethereum merge. You remember the merge in the bear market, in the summer of the bear market, you had an ETH merge, everything pumped on ETH, but then, it sold off like garbage. That now you get major reversal on the RSI, major bullish divergence reversal signal here on the weekly RSI. This is no joke, sir. This is no joke. Like everybody that's watching, this is no joke, man. You have bullish divergence for around 6 months on the weekly. Once you break this level, this one here, that's it, man. You can open the champagne, order yachts, start buying Ferraris, man. Crypto is going to go bananas, man. This one. Bananas, man. And also, let's look on the
comparisons.
Let's look on the stochastic for a second. Stochastic RSI is also now crossing on the weekly chart, so that's a very bullish swing trade signal. So we're looking for a couple of months of an overperformance for ETH versus Ethereum. We're looking for an ETH season to come. What did you say?
I love your comparisons about bananas, etc., and Ferraris.
Oh man, I'm already start hunting for some some real estate, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is your analysis prediction.
This
Right?
is BTC. Now, if you want, we can look on Bitcoin dominance, and let's look on first on ETHUSD as well, because your chart showed it, but it wasn't so close to see the actual performance. Now, the ETHUSD, this looks like a bull flag, man, to me. This is a bull flag on the weekly chart. This candle is going to close in 3 days. If it's going to close above, show you what I'm talking about. If you're gonna close, wait a second, above this level, the high is the 4,200. Man, it's going to confirm bull flag breakout and a mega. It can get frenzy, like they say, it's going to be a frenzy. If you look on Ethereum, it didn't had any big weekly candle like the one we are forming now. All this cycle, all the bull market of 2023, 2024, you had nothing like the candle that is forming on Ethereum now, and you didn't even took the swing high, and you didn't even take the all-time high from 2021. So man, if people ask themselves, oh, should I buy? It's too expensive now. Man, most people, that's why they don't make money, because they don't know how to trade. They don't understand the potential of buy now and hold for a couple of months and just make easy a double, easy triple,
Mm.
Yeah. And let's look on, if you want, we can look on Bitcoin dominance if you like.
Yeah, let's do it.
So BTC dominance is very important chart as well if you're trading altcoins, and it is looking like, you can see this. Let's look on the daily chart. This is this trend line. We're waiting for it to break below this trend line and confirm a reversal. This looks like a top to me. You can see Bitcoin dominance looks like a top. You can see this top here. Now, to confirm the top, we need to break below this level. Now, to all the audience, Bitcoin dominance chart, once it's in the red, it's very bullish for altcoins, because Bitcoins are being flipped into altcoins, and Bitcoin dominance is actually decreasing while altcoin dominance is increasing. That's what this chart is saying, pretty much.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Do you hold right now ETH, only ETH, or altcoins, other altcoins?
Oh man, I have like around 20 plus coins now I'm holding, and some of them are for trade, some of them are for long-term holds.
20? But if you hold 20 altcoins, 20 different coins, so I assume that, for example, ETH is around maybe 30% of your portfolio, and every each altcoin is less and less, right? Or it's similar?
Oh yeah, but my entry on ETH was not ideal, so pretty much it's like around 5, maybe 7%. I trade like with a big portfolio, and I have like I have Solana, I have BNB, I have Pepe, I have many coins that have big positions. I have Kaspa. Actually, Kaspa is my biggest position, because it looks like it's ready to start a new run, and Ethereum can do you a 2x, 3x till the end of the cycle. Kaspa can do you 10x till the end of the cycle, even more. So for me, it's much more appealing.
Kaspa.
Here, somebody asked about Kaspa. How Kaspa?
Yeah, I can call Kaspa, but I will check it. Why Kaspa can do 10x?
Because Kaspa is the leading cryptocurrency, in my opinion, for this cycle. It started, we showed it the last stream. It started in 2022 while everything was bearish. It reminds me the Chainlink of 2019. If you remember, Chainlink was running in the 2019 bear market. It reminds me the price performance of Chainlink.
Yes.
Now Kaspa is doing it this cycle. Why? Charts, man. Charts are just the chart of Kaspa are just
only charts, right? Not fundamentals.
Yes, they also have amazing fundamentals, you know. But me, I told you, I'm not a fundamentalist, so it's not my cup of tea. But for what I know, they have the best blockchain and the fastest blockchain, and they have some serious dev team. And actually, Vitalik was mentioned in Caspa that is one of the best blockchains out there. Vitalik, you know, so you know what I mean.
Mhm. Most of the times when I look for coins to speculate, I'm looking first of all, I'm not at the chart, but at percent of supply in circulation. And Kaspa has already 82% coins on the market, so it's pretty good comparing to another coins. Where, for example, if I delete this, we will see that plenty of them have or infinite supply or around 50 or 60 or 20 or 30% coins already in circulation. So over 80% is pretty good for coins.
Yeah, and it's also proof of work, you know. So proof of work actually is much better than proof of stake because you know you're actually working for the creation of coins. It's not like proof of stake, like, oh, let's stake Polkadot and get free money, or let's stake this one and get free money. Bullshit, you know. You know, it's bullshit. It's like it's like stocks. They print stock. It's the same. It's
Right.
nonsense.
I was staking Polkadot. I was
Oh, yeah.
taking Polkadot in a previous bull cycle, and I put there not much, you know, but right now my stakes are worth 10 less than when I staked, and I got Moonbeam, I got something else, but basically yes, as you said, if any project has ROI, for example, 100% or 500% or even 20%, it means that they are printing a lot, printing more than Fed is printing. Is ETF approved? And when is it? Yeah, right. Probably today evening, maybe, but today, for sure today. Ethereum ETFs will be approved or disapproved today. We don't know an exact hour. They won't tell us. But if they will approve it, and it's possible they will approve it, but I also see a risk that they won't. And why do I? This is because last time you probably remember about Ethereum, about Bitcoin ETFs. Few days before they accepted Bitcoin ETFs, they started to showing commercials of Bitcoin ETFs before the acceptance of Bitcoin ETFs. But right now, I cannot see any commercial of Ethereum ETFs from the funds, from BlackRock, etc. I see that they are changing their documents for SEC. I see that they are working with them every day because every day there is new info, but there's no commercials right now. So it's considering for me. Anyway, we are waiting for the moment of the news. And if the decision would be disapproving ETFs right now, if the dump might be around 15%, because whole pump probably will be declined.
Man, we cannot talk about this kind of stuff. This is like, you know, crystal ball nonsense, you know.
Yeah.
We need to wait for them to put the news out. See, man, you probably, it's, you know, in my opinion, maybe it's not gonna even, they might say, hey, we need more time, we're gonna come back to you in November or in October with the ECCF. and then you're gonna start the ETF speculation, right? That will be the best. If they say, okay, we are checking it, we're gonna come back with a decision in October or in November. This will be the best, just like happened with Bitcoin.
In the long term, right? Of course.
That's
in the
what.
short term, not, but in the long term, of course, yes.
That's what we need actually, because if they will approve it now, it's good, but I would prefer a delay. A delay in the announcement, and then you're gonna get a hype of insanity with the Nvidia pump that is coming on their earning. So an AI and Ethereum and the crypto looking amazing. We don't want manipulation now, because if they're gonna say, "Oh, we don't believe Ethereum is good for for US," so they can manipulate the market now, and it's not good, because now it's the moment that the market need to explode. Now market's looking like they want to explode. Okay.
What market cap you think Kaspa can achieve this cycle? Question from
10 to 20 billion. Depend how long this cycle will last, and if you're gonna have a double bubble. If you're gonna have a double bubble, so maybe more, maybe 40, 50 billion. If you're gonna have a single bubble, maximum 10, 20 billion in my opinion.
So 3x, 6x for market cap?
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot, man.
But if Kaspa will 3x for the market cap, the price will go even higher. Not 3x, but maybe 10x or something.
$1. My price prediction for Kaspa is $1, around $1 for a coin. Now it's at around 1.14. It's around 14 cents. So it's like, in my opinion, Kaspa is amazing buy now. Like now, if you're looking to buy stuff and hold, Kaspa is one of the best buy now.
I will check the Kaspa.
Look at that. Someone said, remember to smash the like button on the way in, sir. Trade intuition. Cheers, bro. We love you.
Remember to smash the like button and hit the notification alert below. Right. And what about the bit $3,000 we talked before? We talked about
the question. What's the question? Tell us the question.
From the audience. So I will put the question. So the question is from the audience: how should I manage $3,000? What kind of percentage of where it should be put it in, or where it should put it in?
All right. Look, first of all, if your account is $3,000, you want to put it on the high beta coins, okay? The higher risk coins, the smaller market cap. So in my opinion, I will put, let's say, 1,000 in 3 micro caps, 3 or 4 micro caps, that you like, that you research, maybe some AI, some gaming, some black dag, some meme. Then I put another 1,000 in mid caps, and I'll put the last 1,000 in a coin that you really love and you believe in, and you think they have the best blockchain in your opinion, like Kaspa. Choose one, or Kaspa or Solana, and all your if the mid cap or your small caps are popping 10x's, you cash out the majority and you flip them to your biggest bag, like to the Kaspa bag or to the Solana bag. So you have a one hodl mega bag, and you throw all the gains to it, and you flip, let's say, and you have another 8 names, small money in 8 different coins.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously, if you know how to trade, you will make more money, because you will be able to identify if your coin is rubbish, or because you might have a poor selection. So you might choose a coin that is not performing. So you need to choose the best performing coins on the time being, on the right hypes. Okay, so if, let's say, now you're gonna get an AI hype, you want to have AI coins ride the hype, sell the top of the hype and start the next hype. So if you swing trade, this 3K is much better than just buy stuff and hold, because when you buy stuff and hold, first, you're never gonna know when is the top because you don't know how to trade. Second, you don't use stops, so you are very, very unprofessional and you're gonna lose back a lot of profits you're gonna make eventually. Third, you're probably gonna choose coins that are not moving and you will be waiting for them to move too long, and then the cycle will be over. So, but you can make big money with $3,000, but you need to know what you're doing to achieve super performance, obviously.
Yeah. Basically, what you just said is to swing the money and move between the most interesting projects that may pump. Yeah, it's I understand what you're saying and why you're saying it, because you have experience and you know the market, you understand the market. You are sitting in front of a computer 24 hours, right? Like me. So you feel the market. I don't know, connection is bad or not.
It's good.
Okay, so you feel the market, right? And people who are watching us, I assume that they don't feel market and sit in front of the charts as long as we are. And if somebody wants to, for example, multiply a little amount of money, or $3,000, and hope they will, there is a huge chance also that they will lost, in my opinion, that they will lost that whole amount of money, that $3,000. Because in my opinion, there is a huge potential that if somebody who is not, all in, full time into the charts, into the market, into trading, into analysis, etc., they will just put into some coins, and maybe because of emotions, they won't be able to take profits, or probably they will buy at a really high valuation, really high price. So I believe that we have a little bit maybe different perspective on this. I understand your perspective from advanced trader, because you are an advanced trader, right?
Man,
But what if somebody is not an advanced trader as you are?
The guy can join my service or any kind of service that gives them, but don't join the regular Telegram nonsense bots. You're gonna lose all your money. Join someone that gives good service, that teach you how to trade, how to buy stuff, and give you long-term buy alerts, and you're gonna be all right. You just need a few minutes a day to watch some market updates, to watch some stuff, instead of scrolling into your Instagram nonsense or Facebook nonsense or whatever you're doing in your free time, or Tinder, and really learn the market. Man, this is the time. You're gonna have now a window of opportunity till the election. It's a couple of months. It's all up to you. Or you're gonna make it big time, or you're gonna make it mid time, or you make small time, and then it's up to you. Or you're gonna take your profits, or you're gonna leave it to the rest of the world to take your profits, or to the other whales. But now the market gives you opportunity, guys. Take it with both hands, man. All in, man.
Yeah, it's interesting what you said about that long-term alerts. So how do you set up long-term alerts? I'm curious.
Can you repeat, sir?
So how do you set up your long-term alerts for altcoins, for example, for buying or for selling, maybe?
What do you mean?
I mean, you said about long-term alerts, right? To buy an altcoin, right?
Okay.
So my question is how to set up such an alert for.
Like the average guy to set it up for himself?
Yeah, or maybe you do it, yes, for your team, right?
I've been researching the crypto markets for like years now. I have a list from 2023 that I've been collecting the best performing coins for this bull market. Okay, so I have a list of them, and all the long-term buy alerts I'm sharing with my community, they just get it like, long-term buy alert once I'm buying, So like, let's say in April or in March when the market was correcting, we've been buying for long term. We bought Tau, we bought PAL, we bought Caspa, we bought many coins long term. We bought Nosana, we bought many coins, man, for long term hold, and now they're starting to go up. So that's how it's very simple, man. You just get the notification, you log in. Oh, I'm buying this coin, and it tells you 1% of your capital, 10% of your capital. It tells you how much to put, and that's it, man. You just hold it for a couple of months once the coin go in bazooka, and then you can sell it. Easy.
Go in bazooka.
Yeah, man. That's what
this comparison for me. Nice. Another perspective from me, because about this question and $3,000. I remember my first moment when I was able to manage $3,000 and put it, on my ledger. And there was a moment in my life when I wasn't able to do such things. I was totally out of the money, totally broke. So when I was broke, my decisions weren't, cold-minded, weren't wise. I wanted only to get fast profits. But when I managed to take some cash, take some money and put it on the ledger and with no trading at all, just put it into the BTC. After that, my decisions started to be much more wise, much more, much better in the long term, because I wasn't under pressure of my emotions, under pressure of hurry up to become rich quickly. So I understand your perspective, but I also encourage you guys to, if you have any kind of money right now, if you have your first 3K or 1K or 10K, but your first money, I encourage you also not only to speculate about with these assets, but also encourage you to put some money, some amount of money into your cold wallet, into your BTC, not to into speculative asset, into the most stable crypto. Stable crypto is BTC in my opinion. And just don't go with it anything, because in my opinion, BTC will go higher and higher in the long term. And it will give you, probably it won't give you so big results as, trading Caspa or altcoins. It won't in the short term, but in the long term, it will give you a calm and much more, a huge confidence in yourself.
Yeah, but you're talking to the people that have 100K accounts, okay, and they throw 50K on Bitcoin, and that's cool. But if you throw 3K on Bitcoin now, you're full of shit. Sorry about that. You're not gonna make money. You're not gonna make money. You wanna make big money now? You need to with 3K, only altcoins. The higher the risk that it's possible, and go work in a restaurant or wherever you work, man. Save up every nickel you have and throw it into your crypto wallets. DCA, buy more USDT and keep buying the coins that pump in for you. The AI, the memes, and go deep into the trading, deep into the investment. If you're just gonna say, oh, I'm gonna put my money and it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. No, it's not gonna be okay. It's not gonna be okay if you're not gonna do the work for yourself. Not you, Julian. I'm talking about the average Joe. If you're not gonna do the work yourself, the research, come up with a strategy, exit plan, financial, be professional, man. If you're not gonna be professional, you not take crypto seriously, professionally, crypto will not treat you professionally. Crypto will humble you bad, man. Trust me, I've been humbled in 2018 so bad, I'll never forget it. I'll never forget it.
Well, what was the lesson?
The lesson, never hold any rubbish in a bear market. Always take your profit, always use stop loss, always follow the charts, follow only the charts. Don't listen to Moon Boys on YouTube because you're gonna get yourself destroyed over and over and over again. Listen only to your own voice, your own charts, and that's it. You don't need nobody.
Nice, man. Okay, let's talk about crypto another time. And it was pretty nice conversation.
Sure, man. My pleasure, man. My pleasure,
How could I
man.
manage $3,000? Just follow CM.
Yeah, follow the YouTube, man, or maybe consider joining the team, man. It's cheap. It's cheaper than your gym membership or your nonsense Instagram OnlyFans you paying, and you're gonna make much more money. And yeah, man, we should do. By the way, guys, leave another question if you want us to cover a question like the other dudes was mentioning for the next episodes. Like, if you have a question you want us to cover, shoot it in the chat, and we're gonna cover it on the next episode.
Yes, of course. So, guys, thank you all, and thank you, CM. And we are waiting today for approval or maybe disapproval of Ethereum ETFs. The market will react for sure. The market will react. So guys, stay focused. Again, have a great day and see you soon.